How to fix Messenger video call sound problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and check for Messenger just to check you have an updated version of the application on your device. So let's search for Messenger. And as you can see, it shows no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Messenger application. So we can simply go back, and what you can do is launch the settings application on a device. And as you launch the settings application, simply tap on the option of apps by scrolling down and search for manage apps, and tap on the search bar to search for the Messenger. Over here, just tap on the application and simply tap on clear data and clear the cache. Now tap on app permissions and make sure that you have given access to all the options like phone, microphone, files and media, and so on. Now as you do that, what you can simply do is you can relaunch the Messenger application, and this might definitely help you out. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.